If you've not tried mouth taping yet, I strongly encourage you to give this ZZ Sleep mouth tape a try. If you snore, grind your teeth, or you're a mouth breather, you're gonna love this. I sleep with my mouth wide open and I get awful sore throats from it. This has been a huge deal for me not to have that happen. So you just pull the tape back and then you pop it right on just like that. Can you breathe with it on? Absolutely. Do I feel suffocated? No. And you can also still drink your drink. Give this a shot, guys. I'll have it linked in the shopping cart below for you.